बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you are all fine and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to the online classes. Today we are on lecture 14 and we are going to write our essay, and the topic of our today's essay is good character. What is the topic of our essay? Good character. You will write this essay on your notebook. Before moving towards our essay, let me clear what is meant by character. What is meant by character? So class, character is the total personality of a man, like his thoughts, his feelings and his behavior. If the thoughts of a person are good, then his character will be good. Same case with the feelings and behavior. If your behavior is good towards others, then your character will be good. And if your behavior is not good towards others, then your character will not be good. No one will like your character. So, character is the total personality of a man. For instance, if the person is punctual, he has a habit of doing his work on time, then if he continuously adopt this habit, then it will become the part of his personality. So, it will become the part of his personality. So, character is the total personality of a man. It is everything in a man's life. Let's make an essay. With the help of pictures, we will make our essay. So, here you can see a picture of a man. So, the keyword is total personality. So, character is the total personality of a man. As I told you before, it is everything in a man's life. A man who has a good character, everyone likes him. But a man without good character is hated by everybody. So, good character has the qualities of honesty. Honesty. In this picture, you can see a person or a boy who is in pink shirt. He is doing his work honestly. But the one who is in parrot shirt, he is not doing his work honestly. So it is very bad thing. We should do our work with honesty. Let's move towards next. Good character has the quality of truthfulness. Good character has the quality of truthfulness. Here you can see a mother asks from a kids who did this. Then the boy who ate the cake, he honestly raised his hands and said, I ate this cake. So he said truth. So this is a very good habit. So, good character has the quality of fairness in dealings. In this picture, you can see a mother smiling at a girl and girl smiling at a mother. They deal each other in a fair manner. So, it is very good habit. He has a love for mankind. In this picture, you can see a girl who hold a crutches in his hands, and the girl who is in parrot dress. He helped him in walking, or he helped him uh, in giving a company. So this is a very good. It is free from hatred. He never hurt anyone. He don't have hate for others in his heart. So next, he help others. A person who has a good character always respect others and helps others. He has the courage and self discipline. So class, he has a courage and self discipline. In this picture, you can see a girl who is wearing a very good dress, who carries a bag and who has a smile in her face. So she is a self disciplined. and I am going to share you a famous saying with you all: when character is lost, everything is lost. So we should be good in our dealings, we should be honest, we should be truthful, and we should respect others, and we should care others. So it is very good habits. Let's move towards our essay writing. Character is the total personality of a man. Character is everything in a man's life. A man without good character is hated by everybody. Good character has the qualities of honesty, truthfulness, and fairness in dealings. He has love for mankind and inner goodness. It is free from hatred. A person who has good character always respects and cares others. He has courage and self discipline. There is a famous saying: when character is lost, everything is lost. So, class, this is our today's essay. You will write this essay on your notebook and you will learn it very well. Let's move towards our next topic, and our next topic is spoken. In spoken activity, as I told you before, teacher will give you a topic and you have to speak on it. So it is from your workbook page, page 89. Let's move towards our topic: what do the soldiers do to help in case of flood? What do the soldiers do to help? So in case of earthquake, in case of major train accidents, in riots means strikes, in case of bomb explosion. So let's discuss. In flood, as we did our essay on a flood, so I told you about it, but let me revise. In flood, the army brings helicopters and uses them to pick up the people who are cut off by the floods. It drop food packets from the helicopters and also provide medicines to the people who are injured, and also help the people who are in misery. So army help us in many ways. Let's move towards next. In earthquake, so in earthquake, army helps us in many ways, like the army brings helicopters and started to evacuate the thousands of injured and ground trapped, and began household surveys to establish the extent of the damage and to assess the level of need. In a short word, in a simple words, you can say that army provide food to the needy people, and army help the people who trapped in the ground, and also began and household surveys and assess the needs of people. So they provide basic needs and basic necessity to the people at that time. Let's move towards next. In a major train accident, army help the people. They pick the people who are injured and provide them medical facilities, and they help the people to reach the safe position. Next slide. In the next, you can see the riot. In this situation, people people are in a violent situation, so army try to calm them and try to make the peaceful environment. In the next slide, you can see in a bomb explosion. In a bomb explosion, army provide medical facilities to the people. Army provide basic necessities, like they provide them food, and they survey the they begin household surveys and extent of the damage and assess the level of need. So army help us in many ways, so we should proud to our army, and also try to become a good citizen. So this is it for today. Learn your lesson very well. Fi amanillah.